सो हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू दिस चैनल एंड दिस इज मासूम हियर। सो आज की वीडियो बहुत ही मज़ेदार होने वाले हैं। दिस वीडियो इज गोइंग टू बी मोर क्रूशियल बिकॉज इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट टू popular phrases. Even native speakers, professional speakers are using these two phrases, and these phrases are red flag and green flag. So welcome back in day 4 of 21 days challenge Speak English with me. So before going to the main topic, please do subscribe the channel, like this video, comment on this video and share this video. Okay, now let's go to the main crux. Now in these days, two most popular phrases, red flag and green flags, you all time hear. And what is the meaning of these two phrases? Actual meaning क्या है, कैसे यूज करेंगे, how to use these two phrases, when to use these two phrases and where to use these two phrases, सारी चीज़ हम आपको डिस्कस करके बताएंगे इस वीडियो में. So if you want to sound good, a professional, then you must speak, then you must use these two phrases, red flag and green flag. In short, red flag means red signal and you have to stop because something is dangerous. As green flag, it means it is safe, you can go. It's like green signal. Alright, now what is red flag? Actually a red flag means a warning sign, यानी कि खतरे की घंटी. So red flag means something that is too dangerous or something is going to be happen wrong or just not a good idea. You can use it in any situation, in your job or in any professional level or with your friends, particularly in relationships. So just imagine like a traffic signal. If it is a red flag, if it is a red signal, it means red flag. So you have to stop. So let's look at a few examples. Like if someone never apologizes for their mistakes, that means it is a red flag. There were a few red flags during the meeting, etc. etc. यानी कि कुछ अच्छा नहीं हुआ था, मतलब कुछ खतरा था, कुछ ऐसा सिचुएशन था, I mean which is more dangerous, which is unbearable, which is unforgettable. Similarly in relationship, if it is red flag, that means it is not good, it is not safe. Let's go to the green flag. What does it means, green flag? So green flags means green signal. So green flag means something is good, something is going to be good, safe, so you can go. It is defined as positivity. So we can use the word green flag for a person whose behavior is good, or for a situation which make us feel safe. In few sentences, for example, she listens carefully when you talks. It's a green flag. There were so many green flags during the meeting. That's it. Similarly, as I mentioned that you can use the word the phrase red flag in a relationship, in your profession, in your jobs or in any situation. Even the phrase green flag, you can use it in any situation, in your job, professionally or casually with your friends and family, etc. etc. So here is the easy way to remember this red flag and green flag, that if it is red flag, that means stop, something is danger. If it is green flag, then go ahead, something is safe, so nothing is going to be happen dangerous. So obviously you must use these two phrases, red flag and green flag, in your spoken English as your English speaking sound good. You can ask any person like your partner that what is your red flag and what is your green flag. Are you a red flag or are you a green flag, etc. etc. So I hope that you have already got that what does it means red flag and what does it means green flag, and how to apply these two phrases in your English, as your English can become like professional, sound good. If you found this video at least a little bit helpful, then please do subscribe the channel, like this video and share this video with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment section in which topic you want me to make a video next time. Till then, thanks for watching. Jai Hind. Bye bye.